we're talking about love, then I have to tell you, dear readers, I'm not sure where I'm headed. I've gotten lost before. I've woke up stone drunk, face down in the floor. Late afternoon passes. I started, I jumped out. Everyone hates the ball. Everybody hates the drum. This may be a lit invention. Professors muddled in their intent to try to rope in followers to float their malcontent. As for this reader, I'm already spent. Late afternoon houses. I started, I jumped out.
Non so parlare un po' di
Che cavolo.
Everyone hates a sad professor. I hate where I wound up. Dear readers, my apologies. I'm drifting in and out of sleep. Long silence presents the tragedies of